how to buy Peacock TV subscription on Android. If you would like to buy the Peacock TV app's subscription on your Android phone, it's actually pretty simple to do it. Assuming that you already have created a Peacock TV account. If you haven't, I have already created a tutorial for that, so you can simply search them in our channel. You can open the Peacock TV app and log into your current existing account. So this is an account that I have created, and of course it is a free account. Now I want to subscribe to the premium version. So what I do is, from the bottom right, first of all, you can see the profile icon there. Just tap on the profile icon and this is the option. From the top right hand side, you'll find the account option, which is in the gear icon. So tap on that icon right there. So you'll be taken to this plans and payment option, where you can see it says pick a plan. So just tap on the pick a plan option right here. Now simply choose between the monthly or the annual version. Then you have the premium for $9.03 a month, and you have the premium plus for $15.81 a month. Now I won't go to the details of this plan. That's pretty much something that you can look after in this video. But depending on which plan you want, you can tap on the get premium option. Then from here you can simply go ahead and then choose a payment method. So you can use this payment method if you have, or you can also add another payment method like a PayPal account, or you can add a credit or debit card to your Google account, and once done, you'll be able to successfully subscribe to Peacock TV. This way you'll be able to subscribe to Peacock TV. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.